Hello everyone, welcome for this new training on creating a sword for the video game. For those who don't know me, I'm Julien Deville and I'm a Blender trainer certified by the Blender Foundation, and I train on this software online and in situ for 7 years. You can go on my ArtStation Yoji Chopper and on my YouTube Yoji Graphics channel and my Yoji Graphics Facebook page to know more about me. Blender 2.8 has just arrived in beta version, and this new version offers us a new interface and a lot of new features. This training will allow you to jump into the new version while realizing an asset ready to be imported for a game engine. The first 2 chapters will allow us to review the basics of modeling and create our object in low poly and high poly. Chapter 3, 4 and 5 will be dedicated to baking and texture paint and sculpting for create a low poly model with all the details of the high poly. Finally, we will export and render our model in the last 2 chapters. You will find an entire bonus chapter explaining in details how to texture this model with Substance Painter. All packs files are exclusive and included for free in the training and will give you the opportunity to create your own scene really easily. That's it for the overview of this new training. Just download Blender 2.8 and let's go for the first video.